Students, sorry I won't see you in person today. I was having some pretty bad allergies and sinus issues, and so out of extra precaution, I'm staying home since sore throat and coughing is part of the COVID symptoms, but I'm a-okay and I will miss seeing you guys. So I wanted to give you a very brief overview of what to do in class today since I'm not there. So you're going to go to the Feelings and Hispanic Heritage Month under the first tab 1 in class, where I changed it to say 10/13 or October 13th, just to be very clear. And then right here is where it's going to look different right now because I'm just recording the overview, but the overview will be right here. And then you're just going to click on the slides and follow the agenda inside, okay? And just take note, we're going to do the Island Born reading next time we see each other. So the first thing you're going to do is grab your cuaderno or your notebook and please respond to this I see, I think, I wonder. So in español es yo veo, yo pienso, me pregunto. I see, I think, I wonder. So I want you to just look at this picture here and tell me what you see, tell me what you think, tell me what you wonder, and go ahead and write those prompts in Spanish. And then you're going to click to the next slide to do las preguntas del día, or the questions of the day. So you can do these independently, just answer them, use your notes from other classes, and answer ¿Cómo te sientes hoy? So me siento aburrida, me siento triste, me siento enojada, me siento feliz, me siento cansada, me siento enferma. So those are the feelings questions I would love for you to practice. And then you're going to go to the next slide and just reply to yourself, me gusta or no me gusta. We're going to look back at the two videos you watched last time and just, to yourself, you can say, oh, me gusta Nuki and no me gusta los caminos de la vida. Los caminos de la vida means the paths of life. Okay, so again, you could just say, sí, me gusta Nuki, no me gusta los caminos de la vida. All right. And then next we're going to talk about ¿Qué tiempo hace? So that's the third question of the day. ¿Qué tiempo hace also answers the same question that ¿Qué es el clima? Answers. So ¿Qué es el clima? Is what is the weather? And then this one is what is the weather doing? Or what is the climate? What's the weather doing? All right, so here's a picture of San Sebastian, and you're going to write down in your journal, hace sol, hace frío, hace calor, things like that. Don't spend too much time, but just go through in your mind. Hace calor, hace sol means it's sunny. Hace nublado means it's cloudy. Same for this picture in Buenos Aires, Argentina. So hace nublado, hace frío. Sí, llevando chaquetas, hace frío, hace lluvia, so on. And then you can also take a second to click on this link. It's going to take you to a weather.com in San Jose, Costa Rica, and pura vida. And then you're going to be able to ask yourself if what the weather's like today and just kind of take note because it's in Spanish. It's going to feel a little different. But I also want you to also take note that it is in Celsius. So if you want to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit, you multiply that temperature by 2 and then add 32. All right. And then you're going to watch the videos for today. So watch both of these with your headphones on. If you don't have your headphones, you can ask the sub to step outside while you watch the two, or watch them very quietly in the classroom. And then vote, she'll give you the voting cards you're very familiar with. And then last but not least, you have handouts for this exercise. As you know, this week, people are writing really sweet notes to each other to brighten their days. So we thought it would be really fun in the language classes if you guys did them in French and Spanish and Chinese. And so these are the phrases that you can use. You can write an entire letter. You can write just one word, but, be creative. There's scissors, there's glue. Make it look the way you want. You can bring a couple home to family members in Espanol, but make as many as you want. Okay. So have a wonderful day and have a wonderful fall break, and I'll see you soon. Take care.